Did you know that what you eat can change your life? It's true. Food is powerful. It can impact your health, your mood, and even your whole outlook on life. I never truly believed this until I had a meal that changed everything for me. This wasn't just any meal. It was a revelation on a plate. This meal opened my eyes to the power of food. It taught me that simple ingredients, combined with care and love, could create magic. It was more than just delicious. It was transformative. I want to share my story with you. This meal wasn't just about the food. It was about discovering a new way of living. It was about finding joy, health, and balance. Before this life-changing meal, I struggled. My energy levels were low. I felt sluggish and tired all the time. My clothes felt tight, and I didn't feel good about myself. I knew something had to change. I had tried different diets. Each one left me feeling deprived and unhappy. I was starting to lose hope. Was it possible to eat delicious food and feel good at the same time? I longed for a solution. I wanted to enjoy food again. I wanted to feel vibrant and healthy. Most of all, I wanted to find a sustainable way of eating that brought me joy. One day, I was browsing through a bookstore. I stumbled upon a cookbook filled with vibrant photos of Mediterranean dishes. The recipes featured fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. The book talked about the Mediterranean lifestyle. It emphasized fresh, whole foods, regular exercise, and mindful eating. I was intrigued. Could this be the answer I had been searching for? I decided to give it a try. I was tired of restrictive diets. This felt different. It wasn't about deprivation. It was about embracing a healthier and more joyful way of eating. Section 4. A leap of faith. I started by incorporating more fresh fruits and vegetables into my diet. I swapped out processed foods for whole grains and lean proteins. I began cooking more meals at home, using fresh herbs and spices to add flavor. I was nervous about making such a big change. Would I be able to stick with it? Would I enjoy the food? I took a deep breath and decided to take a leap of faith. I remember feeling a sense of excitement as I prepared my first Mediterranean-inspired meal. I could feel a shift in my mindset. I was no longer approaching food with dread or guilt, but with curiosity and joy. Section 5. An explosion of flavors. The first bite was a revelation. The flavors were so fresh, vibrant, and satisfying. I had grilled salmon seasoned with herbs and lemon, a simple salad with a light vinaigrette, and roasted vegetables drizzled with olive oil. Every ingredient tasted like it was bursting with flavor. The salmon was flaky and tender. The vegetables were sweet and caramelized. The salad was crisp and refreshing. It wasn't just the taste that impressed me. It was the feeling I had while eating. I felt light, energized, and nourished. I realized that healthy food could be incredibly delicious. Section 6. A newfound vitality. In the weeks that followed, I noticed a remarkable transformation. I had more energy than ever before. I felt lighter and more vibrant. My clothes fit better and I felt more confident, but the changes went beyond the physical. I felt happier, calmer, and more at peace with food. I had discovered a sustainable way of eating that nourished my body and soul. The Mediterranean diet wasn't just a diet, it was a lifestyle. It was about savoring every bite, enjoying meals with loved ones, and appreciating the simple pleasures of life. This meal was a turning point in my life. It taught me that healthy eating doesn't have to be restrictive or boring. It can be delicious, joyful, and life-changing. Section 7. Share the joy. I believe that everyone deserves to experience the joy of food and the transformative power of a healthy lifestyle. If you're looking to make a change, I encourage you to explore the Mediterranean way of eating. Start by incorporating more fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor. Most importantly, approach food with joy and curiosity. I would love to hear about your own culinary journeys. Share your experiences and favorite Mediterranean-inspired recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier and happier lives, one delicious meal at a time.